Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the TP-Link router that is showing you the orange light in 2026. So on many TP-Link routers, this type of orange light or the amber light usually means no internet connection or weak WAN communication or the setup related problems between the modem and the router. So the exact meaning can vary depending on the TP-Link model, but we will be discussing, or I'm going to show you some of the most common causes and how you can fix them. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to inspect the Ethernet cable running from the modem to the router. You need to make sure of one thing here. The WAN cable is fully connected, the modem has the internet access, and the cable is also plugged into the correct WAN or the internet port. Now, a loose WAN connection is one of the most common causes of this orange light problem. After doing so, you need to simply restart the network properly. For that, you need to reboot the entire network in this particular order. So first of all, you need to turn off your modem. Afterwards, you need to turn off your TP-Link router. Then wait for at least 1 minute. Then power on the modem first. Then wait for internet to fully return. And then turn the router back on. So this sequence is going to refresh the WAN connection and the IP assignment properly. Now, sometimes the damaged Ethernet cables can also trigger the orange light warnings. So in this case, you can try replacing the WAN cable temporarily, because even partly damaged cables can still light up while failing to carry the stable internet data. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.